everyone. I want to explain two words my English students confuse. Close, C-L-O-S-E, and closed, C-L-O-S-E-D. They're not the same. For example, this is a stapler. This is a stapler. The stapler is close to Danny. Again, C-L-O-S-E. The stapler is close to Danny. This is tape. This is tape. The tape is close to Danny. Again, C-L-O-S-E. Close is not the same as closed. It is 11:30 p.m. Walmart is closed. C-L-O-S-E-D. It is 11:45 p.m. Target is closed. C-L-O-S-E-D. Again, close and closed are not the same. Have a great day. Bye-bye.